We have 2 days later and we're gonna continue with our well project. And in this video, we are hopefully gonna get all the way till up here, all around with rocks, and that is already gonna make it much nicer. But before we get going and start rocking it all up, we have to remove the plastic. So let's do that, then mix up cement and start rock laying. Not brick laying, but rock cement laying. Okay, let's get started.
Typical poison spiders.
There's no poisonous, we don't have poisonous spiders.
They still like hurt if they bite you.
Ooh!
It's okay, I guess.
Oh, it folded in.
It's okay, we can cut it if it's really deep.
Okay.
So let's go rock shopping, see what rocks we can find. We're gonna try to go for the biggest and the nicest rocks, and then all the small ones to fill in the gaps. So let's go.
Okay, so David is aiming for this huge rock.
I'm not aiming for it, it's calling me. There you go.
Teamwork. Oh, I'm falling.
That is heavy.
That's a big boy rock. That would have been so nice for Easter.
You didn't take it.
I don't know, this Easter was not a mossy Easter. We had too much other things. That is bigger than it looks.
The dolly is doing a good job of it. Making this so much easier.
Nice.
Oh, that is a big boy.
Oh, no, no,
Whoa,
no,
whoa,
no, no.
whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, I want to flip it upwards. All the way down, almost. Careful, it's gonna pump you, go up.
No. Okay, got it. That's a nice. Whoa.
It's a nice rock.
That's
Do we
a really
need to?
nice
We need
flat
to spray them maybe with the water.
With a bit of water, yeah. So
we have the water hose.
Oh, that's a beauty.
This is gonna look so nice, though.
How many do you think do we need of these big boys?
Well, we're not even kind of halfway. Closer.
That's already a good collection. Whoa!
Go, go, go. You fit?
Yeah, I am kind of under.
Wait, I'll drop it this way. Perfect. You got stuck?
Yeah. It's kind of coming together.
You can already visualize it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so gorgeous.
It's gonna be so huge looking. That's a baby rock.
Can you go do it while I dig this one?
Yep. Three, two,
Go.
three. It's gonna fall.
You got it?
I got it.
Give me this one, it's a bit of a big boy.
Yeah.
This one should be an easy one. Let's wait now. This one's a split rock, someone has split
Yeah, I
it.
know. That looks funky. Oh, that was an easy one. 3, 2.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna flip it up.
That's a squarey one.
Yeah, it's a nice one. That's honestly a perfect building rock. Well, not perfect. Perfect would be a square.
Well, then it would also not look nice.
It would still look nice.
We have made a pile. All of that just has to go now. On it.
All of that we did in 20 minutes.
Yeah, pretty good we are. And now we just like snap and they're on.
Does it click?
They don't go.
Okay, I guess we gotta do it ourselves. We need to definitely scrub off the moss.
Okay. First rock, stone, rock, stone. What's the difference between a rock and a stone? Let us know in the comments.
If you know.
Millie!
What are we doing, Millie? That is 1 bucket of cement already.
Just for 2 stones.
Yeah, I mean the bottom.
Rocks.
Well, actually, yeah, I'm trying to
Which way do you want it?
slip it down.
Like this?
I don't know, I'm trying to adjust it for now.
So we decided to put this rock upwards because on the front it was like way too bulky outwards. So we decided to put it up and just fill the back with smaller stones. Probably not the way you should do it, but...
If you were building a house, no.
No, but for beauty, it's not gonna hold anything structurally, so we're good.
And also, we're going against a solid concrete, reinforced concrete wall, so
Even
it cannot even fall in, so.
And even if it cracks apart, even if we don't do it good enough and it cracks, it's not holding anything. It's just literally beauty. So, might not doing it the most proper way. It's just, honestly, just for beauty. For here, I just need. Okay, do we put this one upwards or downwards?
Okay, if you put me some stones that I can lean it against. Too small, I think it's way too small.
No, you're going way too much out. Don't lean so much out.
No, I will lean it in. I'm looking, the bottom is very wide, you see. Yeah, you need to, don't push that.
Okay.
Just be careful, it can fall on your feet. Barely, it should be leaned a bit more maybe even.
Yeah, that's why
Like this.
There you go. I guess we just gotta trust the process for once again.
Always we trust the process, no?
Maybe a rock is something very big, like a mountain rock, and a stone is something small. But is that a stone or is that a rock? Stone is a small one.
I think these are stones.
I think those are all
I think
stones.
rock
Is something huge.
could be. Like a cliff. Hoppa.
Like this? Ooh, whoa, such
Push
late.
this way. Ah, something fell. Oh no. We just destroyed.
I think that's a bit too big what we brought here. I guess upwards.
Nothing is too big. Look. Nothing is too small either.
Okay, can we put this one? I think it looks pretty good the way I have done it. Like, you're the master of stacking the rocks. I'm the master of smoothing the rocks, like the connections.
You have to have
know
a teamwork.
You know how to stack them nicely, because I can't vision so well the stacking, but I can make them nice and closed and sealed. So we're a good team.
You have to have good balance between all the stones.
Yeah. No, I could do it, but you're better at it. And while you do that, I rather close the gaps here.
And on the next layer around, we gotta add the one that supports the whole upper structure.
Yeah. Nice. We're actually pretty quick, I think. No?
These big ones for sure.
Oh. Wow. Okay. No? Okay. I think that's good. No, the way you had it. Like, no. Yeah. No? I guess. My legs haven't stretched them. Ooh.
Big boy. Whoa. Yeah, baby. That's what you call a well.
Well. So as you can see, that's how far we got today. We did originally want to finish till the very top, but we do want it to harden a bit the first layer, even though we could kind of keep going. Some places we're higher than halfway, and on the other side we're just like the first layer. But we still have a lot more work to do. We also have to do the rebar that's going to hold up the wood for the little roof. So we have to build this rebar because we need to build it into the rocks. So we need to have that before we can continue. And yeah, I guess that is going to be it with this video. It was not a lot of work, but definitely after doing it for a while, it gets tiring. And at the start, I was not so into it. I could not vision it. I was not in the mood of doing it, but then once I got into it, it was going pretty quick and pretty nice. So let us know in the comments down below if you're expecting it to turn out like this and if you're liking it. So yeah, I guess I hope you enjoyed this video and we're gonna see you in the next one. Millie, come here. Millie. Yo, молодец. Yummy Lily. Yummy Lily. Millie, you like it? Millie, you like it?